Hello tiny heroes, welcome to your channel.
Sunlight floods Lucy's room, waking the cheerful 3-year-old with bright eyes and tangled hair. Lucy searches for her favorite shirt, her most precious possession. Her shirt is dirty and smells bad. As Lucy reaches, a burst of sparkling dust appears. Mia, a safety fairy with rainbow wings, appears and stuns Lucy. In Lucy's bedroom, Mia gently took Lucy's hand as she reached for her shirt. Suddenly, microbes appear and dance enthusiastically on the fabric. Mia warns, "Lucy, wait, that shirt is dirty." Mia explains, "Dirty clothes carry germs, dust and bad smells." The dancing germs highlight the unseen world of dirt and microbes. In Lucy's bedroom, Mia waves her wand, creating a bright light. Vividly, germs transfer from dirty clothes to Lucy's skin in the magical display. "See, Lucy, these germs can make you itchy or even sick," Mia warns gently. Mia guides Lucy to the laundry basket. The basket is full of dirty socks, shirts and pants. "This is where the magic happens," Mia announces with a majestic gesture. She emphasizes the transformative power of cleanliness, a confident smile playing on her lip. "Clean clothes help you stay healthy, confident and happy," Mia declares. Lucy is staring at the laundry basket. Inside the washing machine, Mia turns the mundane into magic. The clothes dance in a whirlwind of rainbow bubbles. The microbes explode like fireworks, their vibrant light painting the scene. The washing machine is cleaning the clothes. Lucy opens her drawer and sees a neat stack of folded clothes. She chooses a new shirt, takes a deep breath, and puts on a big smile. Mia beams, presenting Lucy with a glowing, clean and fresh star, a reward for her impeccable habits. Clean clothes help you stay healthy, happy and confident. A voice narrates, filled with gentle wisdom. Lucy waves goodbye, her eyes sparkling with youthful exuberance. "Goodbye." Mia floats above Lucy, a celestial guardian, showering the room with glittering stars. The room fills with light, a magical promise of cleanliness and joy.